Yo, watch. Stay still. Oh, sorry, it slipped. Oh, so sorry. Did it slip down? Hello, sir. Can you stand still real quick? There's a business that I need to drop. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Why you just took it like a good boy? Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. I gotta use the bathroom.
Oh, don't worry. I got a good look. Why are you pulling on me? Hey, Alex, why are you pulling on you?
This my shower, bro. This my shower.
Alex, what's that man pulling on you?
Bro, I got something for you, French boo. Hey, stay still. Oh yeah, take it like a good little boy. Step in it. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. My bad. Hey, can I help you? What was that, Pipsqueak? Yeah, we are like twins. Wow, that's like crazy. We're like twins.
Yeah. You must be my long brother. What are we up to?
I don't know. Don't say anything weird.
I can't.
I can't hold it anymore. Gotta go. I wouldn't be in this bathroom for about 45 minutes. 2 snake-sized logs in each one of those toilets.
Suck on her friend.
1v1 me.
Talking game and talking a call ever again and make it echo that badly, I'm gonna rape you.
Literally, what was that? Oh, I win.
Oh, get away from me. I hate this game. Sorry, I didn't see you there. That was my poop spot.
Oh, I haven't eaten
The big out.
Come on.
I just realized that I wasn't finished.
Yeah.
But I am unfortunately finished with this video because I'm gonna get some sleep and I'm done editing for tonight. This takes forever, and I try to produce enough content for YouTube to keep on putting me on the algorithm. So if you could like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And big credits to people in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video I post probably in a few months because my upload schedule is probably the worst on YouTube. Goodbye.